Wait, how do you... Salt Bay, right?
Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables.
Hi Veggie fam, it's your girl Natasha. If this is your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you can become a part of the Veggie fam too. Okay, so in today's video guys, we are going to be eating some delicious butter chicken, y'all, with rice and some garlic naan, y'all. This is my first time having this, by the way. I heard it was absolutely delicious, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna make this. And we also have to drink, y'all, a water, well, just a plain old lime water, y'all. Keep it simple. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna pray for this food and then we're gonna get right into it, y'all. Right into it. Father God, thank you for this food. Please bless the hands that prepared it. Also pray for my subscribers that they're having a blessed and awesome day, Jesus, and that they have food on their table as well. In your name we pray, amen and amen. Okay. So, how's my veggie fam doing today? I hope you guys are doing absolutely blessed and awesome, like always. Okay, so we're gonna do a little thumbnail. Okay, I think that should be good. Okay, and then we're gonna just dig in, y'all. So you guys go for the first bite. And grab chicken too. You gotta eat this with your hands. At least that's what I see what a lot of people doing. Oh, and before I forget, y'all, the second shout out of the week goes to I ASMR. Okay, I'm gonna leave her channel right here. So go ahead, please like, comment, subscribe to her if you haven't already. She makes awesome videos. She's very creative, very sweet, and yeah, very consistent as well. Okay, you want to see some delicious food, you want to hear some delicious food, go over there. Okay, so yeah. All right, y'all, let's go for it. Okay. Wow, really good. And you see this white stuff is like cream. They said put cream on it. It's my first time making it, first time having it, so. It was follow the recipe that I found online. Okay, let's break the bread. Do you guys put the... I probably should have done my research a little more. See how you should actually eat this with the bread and stuff. Let's go for onion. So y'all, you guys, this is a lot saucier than it looks. Just saying. This bread's really good. Really refreshing. This drink. So have you guys ever tried buttered chicken before? It's really good. Mm-mm-mm. So, the bread, got a little bit of rice. I'm pretty sure that's how you're supposed to eat it, right? This stuff gets you full like really fast. Yes, guys, you see that steam? Hopefully you can see the steam. That's my favorite part. Alright. I love when I'm watching mukbang videos and I see their food and I see just steam like, you know, coming out of their food. Like, that's so awesome now. Let's go for this bread, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah, I made my kids try some of this. They were like, wow. I could have made it a lot more saucier, but you guys, this is my first time making it, so probably next time. I really like this bread though. It's so easy to make. This bread will go perfect with hummus. Like, my husband just had some with hummus. And they're fast to make. That's how you do it. You know what I'm talking about? Don't mind me. Hold up. I'm gonna go for onion. And then get the bread, and then put the chicken, and then put the rice. Wait, how do you do that? Salt Bay, right? Nah. Yeah, guys, I got burnt. It's nothing. It's barely even nothing. But I'm just being a sissy, y'all. See those little three? Yeah. This is why I was frying dumpling in that other video, guys. And my son came out screaming. And I was like, stop that! You know? And some oil splashed on me, and I was like, and I run my hand under cold water. But it's, you know, they be wilding out, y'all. And I guess this onion counts as my vegetable, y'all. And this is a mouthful of veggies, not oh, stomach full of veggies. But I'm just talking out. Like, the old me would never have tried this. I wouldn't. I was so picky. But I'm starting to try new things, you know? A lot of chewing, y'all. Might as well keep my glass up because lots of chewing. Oh, that's some good bread, y'all. That's all food's good, y'all. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe below. Again, I make new videos almost every single day. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye! You guys, this was so delicious. Everything I say about this is so true.